Greetings everyone, I'm Toan, the owner of the Rural Farm Life channel. One fine day, Toan and son, two close friends who grew up together in this rural area, were riding their bikes along the village road. On their way, they came across an abandoned house in a secluded corner of the village. Toan and son began to explore every nook and cranny of the house. They found fruit trees, and they could see the future of the flowers and vegetable gardens. They talked about the objects they found and guessed who the house had once belonged to and why it had been abandoned. The house had been abandoned for a long time, with trees growing in all the nooks and crannies. Stepping inside the house, they saw that everything was dilapidated and falling apart. The walls were peeling, and the furniture was covered in dust. After a while of exploring, Toan and Sen left the abandoned house. After a while of exploration, Toan and son decided to renovate the house. Turn it into a verdant garden, a place for them to gather friends, cook delicious food, and enjoy the taste of the countryside. They took away the exciting experiences of their exploration of the abandoned house. What do you think of this video? If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel to watch the latest videos.